Hi guys, Basti here from Balls is Life, and today I'm going to make a bird feeder out of a milk carton. First thing we have to do is cut a hole in the front of the milk carton, which Mama already did. Next step is to paint the carton.
Okay. You, what will you do? Eat.
Blue on blue. Tingnan natin kung mag-brown tayo.
Here?
From there, going here.
Okay.
Okay? Kaya?
Okay, just put it in the chair first.
Yeah, ang galing.
And then do 20 jumping jacks.
Before launching the man.
Okay. Then here, you're going to be a waiter. So you're going to hold this one hand while balancing there. Okay?
Good job! Hi! It's okay, you did it na.
Okay, and then put the ball there. Very good. 1, 2, 3.
Wow! Balance ka din.
Yay! Oh, here. Stand there. Stand yung find the star. Then dyan yung did you look at the pink one?
Where's that?
What's inside?
What's inside?
What is this?
Are you sure, Papa?
What is it? National Geographic Kids?
Auntie, look, Lonch, peme.
Instant iced coffee. We've got a new package. It is wood glue and F clamps. I'm going to start woodworking. So wish me luck. It's here. time to make a table. Okay, I got the wood. What's next? Okay, so they have put the bird feeder already outside and we are waiting. Tweet, tweet. Did you call the birds?
Tweet.
Let's see if we can look at it outside. There's the bird feeder. So we hope there are birds that will eat.
My shirt.
Alright, so it's a Monday night, end of the day. I feel so tired. My body is aching. And I'll show you why. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako nag-feeling this past few days. Okay, so papakita ko sa inyo ba't masakit katawan ko. Yan. Dahil dyan. So, feeling pull-ups lang ng pull-ups. Hi, Basti. So yan, bagong exercise channel in Boom Boom. Alright guys, Tuesday morning. Gotta get to work. I have a meeting at 1:30 p.m. I have to send out some invoices. And oh yeah, Joyce is asking me to join Basti's homeschooling today because forgot why. Right, so yep. Yun, so naalala ko na bakit ako sasama sa homeschool. Newspaper dance. We're going to play newspaper dance. Pero social, hindi newspaper. Hala! What are you saying?
Kanina pa niya kasi ako gusto eh. I will show you
Oh
how to do it.
yeah, I think I did that in Taekwondo. And then we will just
Ayan.
here, okay?
Game?
Saan ka ba? Dito? Saan ako?
Okay. Go on top of it. Go on top.
Paper dance, that's not your dance. When the music stops, you have to be inside.
Okay.
Hold.
Hold it.
Ganito.
Oo, sige. Kailangan. So, balance.
Okay, ready? Balance and 1, 2. Why did you dive? Why did you dive? Why did you dive? Pin 1, 2, 3.
Okay, it's lunchtime and merong lutong espesyal. Papakita ko sa inyo. So it's a baked pesto salmon by DJI. Yan ang nagluto.
So what are we going to do today, Basti?
How to make a compass.
Oh, it's how to make a compass.
The first step is, if you don't take a bowl, fill it with water, and wait until the water is still.
Is it still? Is it moving? Make it still. Okay, and then?
Drop a small piece of paper at the center so that it floats without touching the sides. Place a needle on top of the
Needle ba?
needle.
Oh, akala ko ito may needle tayo.
The paper will turn. When it stops, the needle will point north. Ooh.
Okay, go. Proper, yeah. Just drop it slowly. Yeah. There. And then,
What?
yeah.
Yeah, I think it is north.
So far, just to check, north is on our left. So we're gonna do it again. So let's try to drop the paper. Oh yeah, it is. It's pointing north. It's pointing north.
I think it might be. Oh. Almost.
It's pointing north. It's the same.
So, may inaabangan akong chicken delivery ngayon from a friend. Mamaya na lang. Mamaya na natin i-feature. Oh, dyan na yata. Ito lang. Thank you. So, yun na nga, dahil gutom kami, wala nang video na kinakain namin yung chicken. Pero masarap. As in. So, punta kayo sa Toyang's Kitchen. Lalagay ko yung link sa baba or yung link. Basta details kung paano mag-order. Thank you, Beth. Thank you. Ang sarap. Okay, so let's check out what Basti is doing in homeschool because he is learning about Taiwan, I believe. That's why we're also ordering chicken chops and spicy squid. Basti colored a Taiwan flag. So, para in theme kami sa inaaral ni Basti sa homeschool, we ordered from Serenity
Authentic.
milk tea and pakita mo nga.
Ito yung parang Taiwan sausage and
Chicken chops.
Chicken chops.
Yep. Milo dinosaur for Basti. And squid, spicy squid. More chicken chops.
Spicy?
So yun. Authentic na authentic. Serenity. Alright. Kain muna. Non-stop rain again. Hindi ko alam kung nakita nyo, but yep. since last night. Hello.
Wow.
Pakita mo, Basti.
I felt something.
Pakita mo.
What's that?
Glue. Ako na.
Oh, is there glue inside?
It's not glue.
Mom!
It's cornstarch. Okay.
Ah.
So you can actually use this one. Spoon.
Ah!
Okay, so it's like this. Okay, so try to
Wow.
get it. You can mix it first. Ganito siya nito. So, tingnan mo, nagiging, pero pag ginanon ko, solid siya. Ayan, o. Pero pag inopen ko yung hand ko, nagiging liquid siya.
How does that happen?
This is just cornstarch and water. Kasi ang cornstarch doesn't dissolve in water. So, it's a non-Newtonian element.
Don't get the spoon.
Ah, okay. Is that the treasure hunt?
Yikes! Mga research ni Mama Joyce. Ni Mama Joyce. Teacher Joyce. For homeschooling. Alright, so it's a Friday night. And I don't remember if we vlogged enough footage for this week's vlog, so I'm gonna see tomorrow. Check the footages, and yeah, I just finished streaming with my brother and my cousin. We played Fall Guys. What are you watching? What is that? Kalat on the bed. Kalat on the bed. Basti boy is on a video chat with his cousin.
Lunching.
I'm here, baby.
Pimi.
Look.
Pimi.
So, pinapakita na yung screen, isa pang screen. Saturday morning with the kids again. So, they're just playing here with Legos and Topple. What's that? Lego? What?
Ganos.
Ganos?
Ganos.
Yay! What are you singing? Again. Yay! So this whole room was a mess earlier, and they packed up. Good job, guys. Thank you, toys. So we just finished playing Among Us with cousins, nephews and nieces, and that was a fun round. I got imposter once, tapos walang kwenta yung run ko as imposter. So, but it was fun. I hope we could play again. More people. Among Us has been a hit these lockdown days. So, yep.